Step-by-step guide to setting up a Gold IRA for seniors at 70 with $100,000 savings. At age 70, protecting your savings becomes more important than chasing high-risk returns. A Gold IRA offers a way to guard your money against inflation and market swings. For seniors with $100,000 to invest, it provides both security and long-term value. This guide walks you through the key steps: choosing the right custodian, funding the account, and picking IRS-approved gold. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Gold IRA setup process for seniors at age 70 with $100,000. 1. Choose an age-friendly custodian. Not every custodian is designed with seniors in mind. Look for companies that offer simple forms and easy account setup. Phone-based customer support, not just online. No hidden fees and clear pricing. Help with required minimum distributions, RMDs. Quick processing and transfers. Tip: look for custodians with a senior support team and good reviews from retirees. 2. Fund the Gold IRA with your $100,000. There are 3 main ways to fund your Gold IRA. Direct transfer: move money from an existing IRA to a Gold IRA. It's tax-free and avoids penalties. Best for most seniors. Rollover: withdraw money from a retirement account and redeposit it within 60 days. Riskier: late deposits can trigger taxes. Cash contribution: only allowed if you have earned income, which most retirees do not. Best option: use a direct transfer for a safe, tax-free setup. Keep 5% to 10% in cash within the IRA for fees and distributions. 3. Select IRS-approved gold products. Not all gold qualifies. The IRS only allows specific types. Approved coins: American Gold Eagle, Canadian Maple Leaf, Austrian Philharmonic. Gold bars must be 99.5% pure and from approved refiners. Approved coins and rounds allowed if they meet quality standards. Avoid collectibles, rare coins, or storing gold at home. The IRS requires secure storage in an approved depository. For seniors with $100,000, a Gold IRA is a smart way to preserve wealth. By choosing the right custodian, funding it correctly, and selecting IRS-approved gold, you create a solid, low-risk foundation for your financial future. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.